Welcome back to another exciting video. In this video, we are going to learn how to create all-in-one chat floating button using HTML, CSS and jQuery. So here is the floating button that you can see here. After you click on it, you will find the WhatsApp chat and the Facebook Messenger and the emailers. Okay, all these options will be available over here. So this is the floating button we are going to code in this video. Let's dive into the code base. So here the folder structure that I am using so far. First thing, I have created images. In that I have added all the assets required for the all-in-one floating button. Okay, these are the all the assets. All these assets I will give you in the description of this video. Please download from there. Apart from that, I have created one more file saying index.html and main.css. Okay, in the index.html, this is the basic HTML structure. Okay, apart from that, I have added main.css and we are using the jQuery, so I have added the jQuery CDN as well. So please don't forget to add this jQuery CDN library. Okay, so let's start with the code. So I am starting from the scratch. As you see here on the right hand side, the same code will be applied on the right hand side on the browser. So okay, let's start. So first thing, we are going to add a chat icon div, sorry, chat icon span. So we have created the chat icon span. Okay, let's add some CSS to the chat icon saying width is 60 pixel, height will be 60 pixel, and the background color will be fine, and the position will be fixed, and the bottom will be 20 pixel, and the right will be 20 pixel, and border radius will be 50%. Background image URL images folder, chat icon, background, background repeat, no repeat, background position center, background size will be 60%, cursor pointer, let's add some z index as well, 2. So as you see here, we have created this chat using chat icon span. Okay, after clicking on this icon, we need a close button. Okay, let's add that one also. Chat icon, click. So after clicking on, we will add some class using jQuery saying active. So let's add background image, images, and then close icon. Okay, background size will be 40%. So we have added the close icon as well. So after that, we are going to add a parent div for the different social media chat. So this will be main chat box. So let's create one div saying main chat box. Okay, let's add some CSS for that. Main chat box. Position will be fixed. Right 20 pixel. Bottom will be 100 pixel. And the background color white. And the display by default is none. And the Z index is 1. After we click on this chat, that square box will be shown. That's why it's display none. So let's add some shadow to that box. So let's create one more span inside that parent div main chat box saying triangle shadow. Okay, let's add some CSS to it. For that, the shadow thing. Let's copy the class. Let's write it over here. Let's add a parent class before that. Okay, so the for that let's add the width as 70 pixel and height will be 80 pixel and position will be absolute and overflow should be hidden and bottom minus 74 pixel, right will be minus 14 pixel and we will add some back shadow as well. It's 0 16 pixel 10 pixel minus 28 pixel and let's add some color as well. 0 0 0 0.5. Okay, also let's rotate that one to 180 degree and let's add finally the Z index as 2. Let's add the after you click on it, right? So let's add after the content be empty, position will be absolute and width will be 40 pixel, height will be 40 pixel and background will be FFF, then transform to rotate 45 degree, top 75 pixel, left 25 pixel and the box shadow will be minus 1 pixel, minus 1 pixel, 10 pixel, minus 2 pixel. RGBA color will be 0 0 0 0.5, same as above. Okay, let's we have added the shadow as well. Sorry, so we have added the shadow as well. Let's create ul and li. For the ul, let's add some class as chat box. In that, let's add li. Okay, let's add some anchor tag to it. This is for the WhatsApp chat. So let's add some comment over here. WhatsApp chat. Let's add span with class of icon circle. Let's give some class to the span. In that span, let's add an image with source tag. In that, let's add WhatsApp chat image. Let's remove the class source. Let's close it the image tag. Let's add WhatsApp the alt. Let's add another tag saying WhatsApp. Okay, we have added the li for the WhatsApp. For the WhatsApp API chat to be opened. Okay, this is the API that you need to write. Just copy as it is that I am typing on the screen and send question mark. The phone number will be equal to. Over here you need to mention the country code plus and your phone number. Okay, this is the WhatsApp chat API. So please enter all your details. It will open directly in the web WhatsApp in the desktop. If you open this floating button in the mobile, it will directly open your WhatsApp app with. Let's I want to add some text while sending anything. Let's add as hello. So whenever you open WhatsApp, this floating button in the mobile, it will directly open your mobile number with inbuilt saying text as hello. Okay, this is the API code that you need to write. So please replace this country code with your country code and phone number with your phone number. Okay, so we are done with the WhatsApp chat. Let's add Facebook chat in this. Facebook Messenger chat. Okay, let's change this Facebook Messenger chat will be the API will be for this m.me slash coderspot.in. This is my channel. This is my Facebook page name. So before while making these changes, make sure you have Facebook page or you have Facebook profile page. You must know how to create a Facebook Messenger API. Okay, from here I need to going to change the Facebook Messenger image, and after that I will going to add a Facebook. Okay, so this This is for the Facebook Messenger. Let's copy one more for the normal email. So for this, right, we need to change it to mail to with your support email ID. Okay. So over here, you need to change the image for the email okay. So sorry, my bad. Over here also you need to change the name as Facebook, and here will be email us. Here we can message as messenger. Okay. So we are done with the HTML part of it. So hope you have clear so far with the HTML. This is the structure that I am created for the multiple chats, multiple social media chat. Let's add some CSS for that. First thing, we need to add the CSS for the UL element. Let's add some CSS to that. Let's create chat box, the class name. Let's add the parent class before that, and will be the width will be 200 pixel, and the background color will be white. Border radius 5 pixel. Let's say position as relative, and bottom will be 0 pixel, right will be 0 pixel, display inline block, and padding will be 10 pixel and 0, and margin will be 0. And let's add some z index to it, say 1, and let's add some box shadow. This will be like 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 5 pixel, 0 pixel, RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.4. Okay, we have added for the chat box. So as on the right hand side, you will see all the CSS changes we are making on the right hand side of it. So we have added the CSS for the UL element. Let's add the CSS for the LI element. Okay, chat box, in that we have LI, in that we have span, in that we have added one class saying LI, in that we have added a span. With in that span we have added a class saying icon circle. Okay, let's paste it over here. Let's add some CSS to it. For width, this will be 100%, and float will be left, and font size will be 14 pixel, and the line height will be 21 pixel, and the width will be 40 pixel, and the height will be 40 pixel. Background color will be F4477555. This is my favorite color. Border radius 50%, and the position will be relative. So we are done with the each element CSS. Let's add some CSS to the image as well, because in that span we have added a image tag. So let's add some CSS to the image tag. Let's copy this class. Let's add the image tag. After that, let's give the max width as 70% and the position will be absolute, and the top will be 50% and the left will be 50%, and then transform, translate minus 50% comma minus 50%. So we have added the CSS for the li with the span as well for the image. We have pending for the this tag. So let's add the CSS for that tag as well. Let's copy the class, and after that let's add that tag. Let's add the some CSS for that. That will be a float left and the position will be relative and the font size will be 12 pixel and the line height will be 18 pixel and the font family Times New Roman and the color will be hashtag 6C757D. Okay, and the top will be 10 pixel. So we have added CSS to the most of the things. Okay, but in the chat it's showing like right now if you want to add some animation, right, I'm going to add the blink animation to it. Let's add the blinking animation. Let's add some one class to the chat icon itself saying button blink animation. So I have added this class to the chat icon. So let's add some CSS to it. The class name will be chat icon dot button blink. So opacity will be 1. The animation we need is blink for 1 second and easy in out, and it must be infinite. Okay, so the keyframe will be for this, it will be like blink. So for the 0% we need a opacity of 0.25 and for the 50% we need a opacity of 1. So for the after 100% we need opacity of 0.25. Okay, as of now I think you have no doubt. Let's add some JS to it. Only the JS thing is pending. Let's add that one also. Let's add the script tag and will be the document dot ready. That let's add some function to it. So we are going to use the chat icon class chat icon dot click event, and in that we need to call a function. Okay, let's add this, and let's use the this, and let's add toggle class. We are going to, after clicking on it, we will going to add active, and this, the class will be there, it will remove, or else it will add that button blink animation, button blink animation, and the main chat box will need to show, right? The main chat box dot toggle, toggle done. We are done with the all-in-one floating button. Let's see how is it looking after click on it, showing like this. I think some mistake is done, so let's debug it more closely. So we have added the li as well for the chat box. Sorry, for the li we forgot to add the class css for the li. Let's add the css for the li tag as well. So we have added for the icon circle, we have forgot to add the css for the li, that's why it's showing like this. So let's add the css for the li tag as well. After that it will be fixed. So for that the list style type will be none. Okay, then this will be a margin 0, padding will be 0, and width will be 100%, and float must be left. Okay, then let's, the font size will be 14 pixel, and the line height will be 21 pixel. Let's add as color as 000. Let's add some margin to it, 10 pixel 0. Okay, then there will be a padding 0, 20 pixel. Okay, still there is some issues with it. Let's dig into it, what is the issue that we are facing. Okay, let's open it. I think the icons are going outside of it. I think we have forgot to add absolute spelling is right. The position absolute, sorry, my bad, there is a spelling mistake in it. So let's copy the css, let's copy this tag, class name. I think did some spelling mistake over here, so let's did the class name. So we are done with it, the all-in-one. Okay, let's add some space between the icon and the text. So let's add the left as 20 pixel, not 20 pixel, let's add as 10 pixel to look better. So let's open the abbreviation, or else we can add the margin 0, 0, 0, 10 pixel. Same, let's add the left only. Okay, left as 10 pixel to the abbreviation. So the left will be 10 pixel. So you can see here we are done with the, this is how it is blinking, so it will get the user attraction whenever the user lands in your website. Okay, just click on it, the close button will be appearing. Good. After that we have WhatsApp and the messenger and the email us. Okay, this is the floating button for WhatsApp chat, messenger and email us. You can add how many chats in this, but it's damn easy. I hope you find value in this video. Please hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos are coming soon in this channel. Please have a look once again the code that I have written. This is the JavaScript code that I have written. Okay, please have a look. After that I have created a span, and below that I have created a one parent div saying main chat box. In that I have created a span, and after that I have created a ULLI. Okay, so this is the HTML code you can see here, and this is the CSS code. Let me show you once again the CSS code by slowly. If you find any issues while creating this floating button, please let me know in the comment section. Also, you can download the source code in the description of this video. Thank you guys. I hope you find some value in this video. Please hit the like and subscribe to our channel. It's really motivate me to create more such videos for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.